Hey, listen, loan officers, if you want to see a demo of the best mortgage company to work for, I mean, technology-wise, rate-wise, you can't beat it. Fill out the information down below. And by the way, at the end of today's video, there's a short video on the importance of affordability in housing and how it affects absolutely everything. I saw it yesterday, thought it was great, and wanted to share it with you. Now, let's get going with the show. This is beginning to look a lot like 2008. I mean, everywhere you go, especially with new home builds. Now, check out this graph. In late 2009, new construction fell off the map. I mean, just fell. That, of course, was due to the last once-in-a-lifetime recession. You'll note that the vertical gray bar was that meltdown. And right after that, that new construction collapse killed many a new home builder and almost killed all the other ones. So of course, since then, we've been dealing with an inventory issue, and we've been complaining that builders weren't doing their part. And for the most part, they weren't. But look at what has quietly happened since that massive collapse that you're staring at right now. Builders have been building, and right now, or as of April 2025, our new builds are nearly what they were when builders overbuilt the last market during the last crash. In short, builders, they're doing their part. It's worth noting that the reasons for high prices have been due to the lack of inventory, but quietly builders have been building. Guess what? Now they're stuck with a glut of inventory that they can't move, and they are scared to death. They're scared they're going to take it on the chin, aka go under, as so many did at the last rodeo.
Today's Homebuilder survey is only 4 points away from the lows we saw in the COVID-19 recession, which means home builders are not optimistic about their ability to build and sell homes in these economic conditions. They say, and we quote,
"Policy uncertainty stemming in large part from the stop and start tariff issues has hurt builders' confidence, but the initial trade arrangements with the United Kingdom and China are a welcome development."
So what are builders looking for? It's simple: lower interest rates. Builders are still screaming about the effect of tariffs on their builds, and the means of offsetting the cost of the tariffs on their properties is to lower interest rates so that they can continue to move homes, because the option? Well, we just told you. Based on the new Home Builder Sentiment Index, they're officially miserable.
But the good news is, and maybe this is just a little justice for us, they're going to get so desperate, and when they do, they'll start taking your loans and still offer those concessions. Listen, we saw this happen before, and we're going to see it happen again.
See, here's the problem. Here's the income that you need to earn to buy a home in every state. So ask yourself, think of the loan apps that you've turned down. How many people in your state earn what is needed? For example, in our California here, you need to make $210,000 to buy a home. 99% of people here do not make $210,000, and I'll tell you, this graph is wrong, because I guarantee they have not taken into consideration the new and improved cost of insurance, which is just now out of control.
Seriously, guys, we know clients who are paying north of $1,000 per month in insurance. So would rates help? Sure. But what we really need to do, bring the cost of construction down, which again is going to be hard considering we're looking at passing a $30 minimum wage bill here in California. Ain't that grand? And we also have to find a way to deal with this out of control insurance issue, and maybe then we'll be able to move houses. But until then, it's going to be the status quo. Now, do me a favor, watch this very short video. I thought it was illuminating on the importance of affordable housing and how it affects everything. Hope this helps.